No, but it was really a great idea, a great initiative, I would like to say. Like,
The main thing is you accepted it, no? That is like means a lot to me, because if you didn't say I don't know Priyanka whether like you didn't say, you just said yes I will do it. That time I felt so much happiness.
no, but the thing was, the idea was really very creative.
Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today is Mother's Day, so first I wish you all a happy Mother's Day. And this is a new series I'm gonna start with you all, mainly for new mommies out there. So what it is real talk with moms. Generally, any interview you take in a YouTube or any channel, they interview the VVIPs or the celebrities, not the real moms who are out there who's watching my videos generally. So here I came up with an idea with my friends or around me, whoever moms are there, I'm gonna interview one by one all the moms, because every mother out there they are doing their best their child. So I just want to interview them, how their motherhood is going on and what tips they're gonna give you all. So I hope you all will enjoy this video. So I'll just start now. And the first guest with us today is my friend Rachna.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi to everyone. It's really pleasure me having on Purnima's channel, that is Dazzling Mama. I follow her actually. She really creates very nice and rather nice, I'll say, useful videos which are really useful for every mommy.
Thank
So
you.
do subscribe her channel and do keep it. And one tip for her, please give English subtitles so that the people who don't know Telugu, they can understand, or either start teaching Telugu language to everyone. So
Yeah,
my
so
dream-
sorry for that. In starting, I used to do videos in Telugu and English, but once I become busy and then I couldn't make in two languages. For sure, again I'm gonna start in English and Telugu, both languages. You all know very well about me, myself, my lifestyle, everything. But today we have a guest here, so we'll just give little time for her to introduce herself to everyone out there. Rachna?
full name is Rachna Senigadia. Me and my husband, we both are chartered accountants, and we are too much into profession. But after becoming the parents, like especially after me becoming the mother, now I like to give more time to my child than
Yeah.
to my profession, right? Because you understand, it becomes the priority,
Of
and
course.
rather priority, I will say, it gives you the different type of happiness. Like when you come from the tired work life and everything, when you just see that simple smile, your entire
You
day,
just start
yeah,
living another life.
exactly, and
Not
you
the
are
before one.
so much fresh. Like I can't say that every mom, obviously they know what I try to what I'm trying to tell you. Apart from chartered accountancy, my main, like, I love cooking a lot, and that is only because of my husband, I would say, because he is very foodie, and he always asks me to try new food, and which gives me the enthusiasm, which I create the different recipes, different dishes, and I try. And after him, no doubt, my daughter is also super foodie. She is also daily, she is
Yes.
demanding, Mama, I want pizza, Mama, I want cake, Mama, I want orange cake, and blah blah, different things. So, and apart from that, I even love art. I do sometimes some sort of art, that may be painting,
I love
and
about that in you, because how much ever I try to do with my Vihan, I can't. I never succeed. That's why I cannot post that. But whenever I see your post, I say like she did. Yeah, how she did it.
no, I understand even, but I'll just share a simple idea or logic behind that.
Yeah, for
What
me.
I do, what I do generally when I'm doing, I give the task to Soumya. Soumya, see, Mama is going to draw a house, or Mama is going to draw a flower. So let's have a competition between we both. Who draws the better? So she also tries to copy me, and she also tries to do that. So the kids have the tendency that they have to come first,
True.
or they want to succeed. No, everyone should praise me. Ideally, with Soumya it is. If we say, no Soumya, if you do like this, then everyone will say Soumya is a bad girl. Then she becomes sad, and that's the fact.
And the
So-
main thing is with kids, like I never shared this point with you all, they never listen to us. What we
Exactly.
say, they just follow us.
Yes.
If we are doing, they will
Agree.
just follow.
Yes, they will follow. Exactly.
If we say
Agree.
you have to do, you have to study, never. They
No,
never listen.
even for painting, I'll tell you the example. I tried teaching Soumya painting because now she is small and she can't paint within the area, right? She just scribble, and sometimes it's annoying because you really give a good picture and they scribble and they ruin it entirely. Then temper goes up to certain limit. Then what I do, I color with her the same picture, and then she looks at me. No, first Mama is drawing the borders, then Mama is coloring inside. Then she tries that, and now her painting or coloring, whatever it is, it has been bit improved. Apart from the messiness, I agree. When you
In
do that,
Facebook and everywhere I shared Vihan is doing with chapati batter, like many art things he is doing nowadays, and that from where I learned, guys, like from Rachna only. She started that. I have seen her Instagram post, and I just got up that idea. Every day now, Vihan in quarantine time, mainly he's spending almost 30 minutes to 1 hour daily with that batter.
that's lovely. That's lovely.
No
Actually.
screen time, no mama time.
That-
At least he's spending
Yes.
with that.
Exactly. And the main thing is nowadays you have to reduce a lot of screen time for the kids, because when they are too much into screen or too much into phone, their eyes are not like screen time. I give her different activities. Might be nowadays she's learning cooking with me.
Yeah.
Like whenever I do the cooking, she's Mama, I'll put salt. Mama, I'll put sugar. Okay, do. That's okay, right? And even now many recipes she also know. Now Mama, first you will put the oil, then you will do that. So ideally, the only suggestion to all mommies over here is just whatever you are doing, let your kid also do that. Don't restrict them that if you come near the gas then you'll get burned, or if you do this then entire thing will be mess. I'll double up myself the work and all. Don't do that. They learn from that rather. Obviously gas, you are not allowed to
I agree.
kids to come near the gas, but the thing is just keep them a feet apart or 2 feet apart and tell them if you come near the gas then obviously it's harmful for you. So let them do the other activities which are away from gas, or
Yeah.
whatever you are doing.
The
Even if you
mixing work or the peeling work.
Exactly, you can do that. Then even if you are sweeping, okay, allow them to sweep first, then you sweep. Then they come to know like whatever I did was not wrong, this is the correct way, and from that only they learn. Don't think that whatever kids are doing, no, then they'll create the mess and all. It's okay, it's
Yeah.
just a 5-minute cleaning task for you, but don't restrict the kids. Because what I feel, when I restrict Soumya, she's like no. When I do something, Mama says me no, and then she restricts herself from doing those activities. So
Even
just
before I
encourage
become
them.
a mom, I was like a little bit OCD, not completely. The cleaning types and all.
Yeah,
Everything should be clean.
Exactly.
Bed and the sofa, everything. Now,
it's
purely
completely
opposite.
okay.
Yeah, everything is okay in mother's world, So if your house is messy, if your dresses are like not fitting you, or your hair cut is very
Exactly.
bad, it's okay, guys. No need to color every time. No need to dress up
Exactly.
like goodly, because we have so much time.
Different things,
Yeah.
and I prefer giving that time to the kids. They enjoy. If you, instead of going and wasting 1 or 2 hours in parlor, just it's not necessary. I
Yeah,
agree.
giving
You
time
have
to
to give-
yourself is also good.
Yes, but
But-
not that frequently also. So that
True.
that 1 hour if you spend with your kid, they really become very happy. Because when we play with Soumya, she loves that, and she entire day she's so happy, and she's like, my mama played with me, or my papa was playing with me like that.
Yes.
So-
That the child also, they learn a lot from mother mainly.
Exactly.
Apart from anyone, the teachers or the friends, anyone. If mama is teaching, the potential of learning will be more.
Exactly,
Yeah.
completely agreed.
So that we should teach it.
Yes, and don't. One more thing, whatever you want your child to be, please make sure you do the same things in front of them, right?
Yeah.
Or if you tell
If you
child,
are watching TV,
Exactly,
and tell
you-
them don't watch, they never listens to you. This is for me, okay? Because I watch a lot
Okay.
YouTube and then movies and
Yes.
all. I'm reducing it in now quarantine time. Before it was okay at least, like because
yeah, I agree, because you have to
Yeah.
somewhere you have to remove your stress or something, right? You can't even shout your child, or you
because
can't
he was
even-
copying it, so now I'm reducing it.
Exactly.
Because like he will reduce again,
Exactly.
and it worked also.
Yeah, it works. It works. Completely agreed. If you at night, if you read the books, yes, your child will follow. If you read them the stories without listening the stories, they will also not sleep. And it's in, yeah, it's something. But from that, they learn many things.
The bonding will increase.
The bonding will also increase. Then the vocabulary, then the different words, then how to create the stories and all many things they learn. You know. So ideally, you have to be with your kid, and if you want them to be a good boy or good girl or a ideal, then please make sure you are the one. Don't just expect from them that no, you have to be like you have to. Generally, what the habit is, mothers compare with the other kid. See what suppose I do that. I tell no, Soumya, see Vihan is eating the food or Vihan is playing so nicely. Please don't do that. That is completely different thing, right? If Vihan is in a mood to eat the food, might be Soumya is tummy full or she doesn't like the food. It's not compulsory that whatever
very,
the
very difficult for every mom. Like we can say like that, but you know when we
go into
it's difficult, but we have to practice that.
it exactly.
Because when kids become little bigger age, you know, then like the comparison should not be there. Now at least when two small kids, it's okay because it's teaching time.
Yes. Good things, okay, you can tell, but don't always pressurize. Make sure if you compare them now, when they grow older, they'll compare you also.
Exactly, I agree. Mama, you're fat. My friend's mom is like, see, she's
Or
so
she
sweet. They'll ask you that kind of question. So
Or
don't
she
make
doesn't
that.
shout or you shout. Why
Yeah.
you do that? So make sure, avoid the comparison things. Compare, but just tell them in a different manner. Like, see, if Vihan is eating the fruits, then he is healthy, or he can run faster, or make it in a positive way, and then tell them.
Okay, now next part is like we just spoke, and so now I have like few questions with me, or like you know, generally what new moms will think.
Yeah.
Generally, who will be watching my video, so what kind of questions they will be asking. So I have few here, so I'll just ask one by one. You
Okay.
can just freely share your experience with new moms.
Sure.
Okay. So generally, first thing, today is Mother's Day. I guess you didn't wish.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Not only moms, like grandmom, all
Everyone.
type of
Yeah.
moms.
Yeah.
Okay, or the moms to be or who want to be, all type of moms. After all, every lady is a mom. Yeah.
True. Like you might be thinking you are not a real mom,
No.
but at certain age, you know, you might be
Yeah.
elder sister
Exactly.
or any kind of thing. The caring will be there by birth. The ladies
Exactly.
will get, child will get the mom.
Caring nature, yeah.
Caring nature. So I guess everybody should celebrate Mother's Day.
Yes, exactly.
And not only one day, yearly one day, okay? Every
Yes.
day actually.
Every day, yes, I agree.
Okay, now we are going to the questions part. So first thing I'll ask you, today is Mother's Day, so we'll just relate it to that only. So did you give any gifts to your mom for Mother's Day anytime? Or
Yeah,
you believe in that?
Not exactly Mother's Day, but yes, I have given. Like, you know, when you are in teenage or something, then all your friends are giving, then you are also like, yes,
Yeah.
even I have to
I
do
made,
that.
like, handmade
Yes,
cards.
handmade cards and all that stuff. Then cook something for your mom.
Yeah.
Yes, I did that, but for this year, obviously due to quarantine,
not
I
there.
couldn't. And Happy Mother's Day and all. And then the day started like that.
And
actually.
your daughter, like she is like now going to be 4, right? 4
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
She given you anything handmade or like
Uh,
Papa taught her to do something for
Not
you on
in
Mother's
that
Day?
manner,
Yeah.
but yes, when like my brother only told her that it's Mama Day, Mother's Day. Did you wish your mama? So she was like, Happy Mother's Day. Then in morning she was having mango. Generally during mango season, she
Yeah.
loves that. So she came and she
I
feed
have
me,
seen
Mama.
boxes.
No, Mama, it's your day, so you eat the first, and that's
Wow.
the good thing, you know. Their small gestures make you so happy.
And she is a working mom, so
Yeah.
like how you manage your time generally, like how you make everything in a place.
It's a really difficult question, you know. When you come and see my home, it's like completely messy. It's not
Not
clean
at all.
at all.
Not at all. Don't believe her. It is. I don't
Because-
see that much messy. it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is now, yeah, we are teaching somewhere, so you have to keep the things in place and also yes. But generally, I have helpers at home, so really I'm blessed with that. So morning, like I don't have to cook, I don't have to clean and all. But yes, that morning time I give it to Soumya, and yes, we enjoy a good morning time. And then usually I go to work. Then in work, obviously, when I work, I have some things in mind, like whether Soumya had food and all, because Vihan and Soumya, they both share the same daycare,
Yeah.
right? So touch wood, the auntie, the daycare auntie is also nice. So that is again a stress relief. But somewhat time, like my husband also told me, and even I also thought that giving time to yourself and whatever you have learned, like I've done the education, please don't waste it.
Yeah, true.
You have to give some time. Either you can do part-time, you can do full-time. It's completely up to you how your kids support to you. But touchwood, Soumya supported me, and yes, now I am a
She
full-time
is a
working
very,
mom.
very happy child.
Yeah, she is happy child, no doubt. And the only thing I tell you, because I give a lot of time to her. Rather, we give a lot of time to her. In morning,
Yeah, talking to her or
Yes.
like playing with her.
Playing
These
with
things
her.
will make
the
They're
child
very, very
more
happy.
comfortable, and they're really happy. Instead of giving them the screens or instead of doing, just share the time with them. Just even, I tell Soumya what happened with me in entire day,
Yeah.
like what my to my boss or to my manager, I call her in her language, he is my teacher, because at
Yeah.
this age she doesn't understand what is the boss or what is
Yeah.
the manager. She only understands is the teacher concept. So I tell her what my teacher told to her, what are my colleagues' name and all. Like she knows everyone in my husband's office also and in my office also.
how much we talk to our kids, that much knowledge they
Knowledge
grasp.
they they grasp, and then they are interested in your life
Yes,
also. Like
yes,
mama,
true.
yes, what you are wearing today. Nowadays she suggests me, mama, you don't look
That is
good
the
in
best
this.
part of girl, yeah.
I
Not,
agree.
not the boy. Whatever you give, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We will just go to next question. It's like not question actually. So as a mother, like how your pregnancy went and your birth story. Like, is it a normal or C-section? How you?
No, I tried for normal actually, but like 5 days before my due date, I was diagnosed with dengue.
Oh.
So that was really a struggling part for me. So I
Yeah.
had to go for C-section. But yes, all my 9 months were really smooth. Touch wood, I didn't have to suffer a lot
You are
or
working
something.
or you are taking
No,
rest?
no, I was working for 7 months, and after, as you know, the flights
Yeah.
doesn't allow you to fly and all. So I had to resign in 7th month, and then I went back to India. And from there again, since my father-in-law, brother-in-law, everyone are practicing. Like my entire life, family is a chartered accountant. My brother-in-law,
Yes,
so all are chartered accountants. So I used to work in our office, and yes, when Soumya became 1, after that I again resumed the work. So by that time, yes, my pregnancy was smooth, apart from the small things which you face, right? Every month some mood swings or
Yeah,
either
yeah.
some small headaches and all. Apart from that, the only thing, you have to be active.
Yeah.
And
So she is trying to tell you if you are pregnant, it's good to work
Yes,
till you can.
exactly.
But don't stress yourself. You
Yes.
have to work like at
Yes.
least whatever your regular works.
regular
If you're
work, yeah,
working or
don't
else if you're a homemaker, just enjoy that.
enjoy
That's all.
that. Yes.
Because I was a homemaker,
Okay.
complete full day I was working. Like I never used to sleep too much, or like I never used to sit long for some time. Like I used to play by myself. Like I used to go
good.
with kids like
Uh-huh.
that. I used to busy myself.
That's good. But I will really say, working mom is a simple task than a homemaker mom. Seriously, completely. If you are
I agree
at
because
home,
I was both. I worked and then I'm a homemaker mom as well.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
working mom, you get some exemptions automatically because you are working mom. If you don't keep your house clean, it's okay completely because she is a working
But
mom.
both are like challenging. Yeah. Both.
I know,
the
I
challenges.
agree, but somehow I feel as a homemaker, completely homemaker mom is obviously 100% difficult task than a working mom.
The thing is like there our mind will be in somewhere like the work or
Yes.
something. Our stress we will just release
And-
somewhere.
yes.
When you are at home only with the child,
Child,
you have
yes.
no other option where you
Yes.
go. So you just hurt yourself.
Yes, and you only think about yourself. your child, your husband, your family. That's it. You don't have any different world. While you are working, yes, you are somewhere you are doing somewhat you like, right?
Yeah.
Though I'm a chartered accountant, yes, I do the accounting parts or I do the calculations and all. I love doing that. So it's the me time. In
Yeah. True.
sometimes yes, you get the work stress or something, but it's okay. It's not in a day at least 10% or 20% you get your time, right? While traveling or
Yeah.
something, you can
Yeah.
think for yourself. You can surf your phone. Anything you can do. Ideally, I will say. Mother's job is not a simple job, you know.
Yeah,
It's a
true.
scariest job.
True.
Yes.
And like generally, if Soumya is doing some naughty works, because Vihan is like started doing that. Like if I try to say something to him, he never listens. Like
That's the universal thing.
yeah. Like if he wants chocolates, the main thing, because when he was till 2 years age, I never gave him outside
Oh.
chocolates or anything.
That's really
After
good.
that only I just introduced him,
Oh.
and then now it become more the quantity. So in that situation, I am like he's crying a lot. So how
Okay.
you limit her, like only one chocolate per day or something? How you do it?
I agree with you completely. Happens with me also. But generally, what we do, if we give obviously they are kids, right?
Yeah.
They are only born for the chocolates. I
Yes,
will say
yes.
we are not supposed to eat the chocolates and all. But yes, we give her, no doubt. But when she asks for her, either we tell her, Soumya, see you'll get cavities in your teeth, or it's not good for you. But not necessary every time she'll listen to
Yeah,
that.
of
Okay?
course.
Many times she becomes cranky, she cries and all, then we let her cry. Okay, have your time. You want to cry, you cry. No matter. Even though you cry so much, Mama, Papa are not going to give you anything. Then she knows
But
whatever
this is very,
I do.
very hard part, no? It's very
Agreed.
difficult for a mom to control yourself when your kid is crying. So
Agreed.
you have to.
But no, you have to become strong. At that time, me and my husband, we both become deaf. You know, like we can't hear your voice or anything.
I guess I have to follow now because I'm in that stage,
And in 5 minutes, she stops crying, and then she'll ask for something different. Or then she'll ask, Mama, will you play with me?
The next question is generally, moms and working moms, or like generally home like mom also, like I faced post pregnancy depression. So did you have any kind of, or did you face any depression when you after pregnancy, generally after birth?
Luckily, no, I didn't have any postpartum depression or
Depression.
something like that. Somehow, I was really happy with my kid. And okay, health-wise, yes, few mommies face the issues
Yeah.
and all. But touch wood, I didn't face any depression or any. Like my family was supportive. My
Mentally
entire
is that?
mentally, I was healthy. So might be I didn't feel any depression or something.
Yeah,
Everyone
just
was
take
supportive.
that tip also. If you are mentally strong and if your family is so supportive, you can just overcome that part.
Exactly. One thing I would like to say, instead of cribbing, just enjoy that phase.
True.
Like, if you crib about, no, I have to work, or no, I'm getting fat, or just enjoy that phase. It's your
Exactly.
body, right? Enjoy it. You can look at it in a different manner also. It's not about fat or slim, or it's not about looking fair or
Yeah.
black or something. It's about you. If you enjoy that thing, then obviously the glow will come on your face and you will feel positive.
Yeah.
Right?
The first 6 months of your baby's life, obviously you will face a lot of problems.
Obviously.
And it
no
is worth it,
sleeps.
guys.
Yeah. No sleeps.
Yeah.
Nothing but yes.
Every
Okay.
mom will face that, phase at some point, like in 6 months, not first month, the 6th month may. Like
Yeah.
any month can happen. So you just be ready for it
Yes.
and try to enjoy it.
For me, 2 years we couldn't sleep at night.
Yeah, high five. Same. 2 years. We shifted here from Abu Dhabi, no?
Yeah.
Like just the birthday time when we met. At same, maybe after his birthday, full night he slept.
Oh.
This house came lucky for us.
Oh.
Next question is generally, after becoming a mom, before that, they might be working. Once the baby is in home, if for example, if I want to go to work, my thoughts will be running whether am I doing right or wrong,
Wrong.
whether I have to
Exactly.
go or not go. Because if I'm not going, it is like I'm hurting myself.
Exactly.
I'm something I
Exactly.
feel like I'm doing, cheating myself. If I want to go, I may be cheating as a mom. So
Exactly.
like
I
how
agree.
you overcome, or like
No, this
what you want to
dilemma-
say to them if they want to work after delivery.
Yeah, this dilemma is obviously with every mom, but just I would like, even I went through that guilt for
Yeah.
some time. Like I'm keeping my kid in a daycare, and I'm working. Rather, even I thought I'm becoming selfish. Like I have to work for myself rather than my kid. But somehow I feel that is not right. You have to give some time to yourself
Yeah.
also. And when your kids go out, they learn different 10 things.
Yeah.
You can't teach them all, right? Because you have some restrictions. You don't have that much people in your house, because now we are
Knowledge
staying in this-
also.
knowledge also, like, and kids follow kids.
Yeah.
Like when they are going in the daycare, I have seen growth very rapidly in
Very-
Soumya,
Agree.
because she was with other kids, and then she started following her. And one more thing, I just thought at that time, when my kid turned 5 or 6 or something, right, she'll have her own life. Like she'll go for
Yeah.
birthday parties, then might be the night outs will also start by that
Yeah.
time, right? Then my school time, mama, my this time, mama, then she will not give me the time.
Yes.
Right? Then after 5 years, I can't start the work because I already had a gap of 5 or 6 years. Then what will you do?
Yeah.
You will miss them, right? So better start from this time only. 1 or 2 years gap, okay, I understand.
Yes.
If your pregnancy is difficult.
Even companies do understand that situation.
Yes.
They will, accept you.
Yes, yeah, they give you some flexibility. Okay, you instead of 6 hours, you work for 5 hours.
Yeah.
Or you go home, you sit with your kid, and then you
True.
finish the work. But I'll just say, if you really want to work, don't have that guilt at all. I agree completely, you will have that guilt. But okay, overcome with it. And so be bit practical, I will say. Instead
Yeah.
of being 100% emotional, keep it 50-50.
Yeah. Keep it 50-50 then.
So that you are also happy. Yes, I was working.
Yeah,
and
I'm working. Even I had that guilt, guys. Like why? I spoke to her at that time. I said like daily I used to text her. I left Rekhan there. I don't know what he'll be doing. What would you suggest? Like she used to text me back like he'll be all right. Even I went through that phase. Like he'll be fine. Yeah.
Every mom goes. Every mom. But it's okay. It's completely okay. Have some your time.
Try to make friends who are like moms. That will also
Exactly,
make you
exactly.
enjoy, and even your kids will enjoy with their kids,
Exactly,
as well as you
you
have each other to support. And at
And-
some point you get some suggestions from
Suggestions. Yeah, you have to
Yeah.
share. Like you can share your problems. Like this time I'm facing
Yeah.
this issue. How to overcome? Might be you can get an idea, or you will come to know how
Yeah.
to tackle this situation.
True. So try to talk to your neighbors, like if you are new mom. When I was a new mom also, like I don't have anyone with me to support at that time because my mom was working and my
Oh.
mother-in-law couldn't travel at that time. So I am alone because Devi is working full time.
Ah,
So
then-
I put like second, third month baby, first month my
Obviously.
mom was with me. Second,
Ah.
third month, he was not sleeping, only one hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. So how I will sleep, how I will eat?
Obviously, yeah.
So
And
my
by the time
neighbors,
they
guy,
sleep-
like they are Keralites.
Ah.
One family, like their daughter was having kid, so they visited. That parents took my child also.
Oh.
Whenever I want to sleep for 1 hour or like short naps,
Nap.
I used to
Give
give my
them.
kid to him. The uncle, he used to take care of.
That's so nice, but
Yeah.
actually you need that thing.
True. You need friends.
Exactly, friends, because
Your
now we
old
are
friends,
not
of course, they are important.
Yeah, but you have to
yeah.
make new friends also. Yes.
Here also, when I came to Dubai, you and then Sunanda,
Yes.
because of these people, my life become little easy, I can say.
Kids play,
Yeah.
then yes, we see them playing, we also become happy. Then we can also share our thoughts, like
The
That-
schools
Yes.
discussion or
Exactly,
like where to
there is-
put for like play area or anything.
so many
Yeah.
discussions, so many discussions. Agree.
That is the reason why I started this series, because you should make friends with moms. Like then only you get to know everything, because you're a new mom. You don't know how things
Agreed.
will go. So in
Agreed.
suddenly at one point you might need some other mom help.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
you need it. And because we are staying in like a small families, like in India, if you stay, you have a big family.
Yeah.
There are many people to suggest you, advise you to take care of your kid, but here you are the whole and soul to do to everything to your kid,
Yeah.
right?
True,
So
true,
you
true.
have to take care. Yes.
So anything else you want to share?
Just a thing like, don't compare yourself, don't compare your kids also. Like, if the other mom is doing the different activities with the kid and you couldn't do, please don't compare yourself. Might be you're doing the different thing which you don't share on the social media or something, right? Because I have the habit of sharing it on social media, and it's only because I want other moms to look like how I'm doing with my kid, or these are the simple tasks which you can do. That doesn't mean if I'm sharing on social media other moms are not doing, they're doing it obviously, but they don't share it.
Exactly.
So don't compare yourself, and every mom is obviously a great mom.
True.
So please don't think whatever I'm doing is not, I'm not doing a justice to my kid, or I'm not a good mom or nothing. Please don't
Every
do
mom
that.
is a good, and whatever you are doing,
Is the best for your kid.
100% you will be doing your best.
Best.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. So by this point we are gonna close the video. I
Yes.
hope all the points will be helpful for you. Each and every point whatever we are sharing is truth, and you know some
Yes.
point you'll be thinking, yes, that day I heard that video, which is right. You know, every point try to take it seriously or happily accept it. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for watching lengthy video. And yeah, I forgot to mention that even she is having one channel, very small channel actually. So it is only to share her memories, but still I'm gonna link that in the description
Yeah.
box, because you know you can just check her kid how, like, you know, she'll be doing all the things, and you can subscribe her channel as well if you want to enjoy her videos, and subscribe and like.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No,
It-
no,
it
no,
was
it is
really
my
good.
pleasure that you are, you know, talking to our viewers.
No, but it was really a great idea, a great initiative, I would like to say. Like,
The main
I
thing
did-
is you accepted it, no? That is like means a lot to me, because if you didn't say I don't know Priyanka whether, like, you didn't say, you just said yes, I will do it. That time, you know, I felt, so much happiness.
No, but the thing was, the idea was really very creative, you know, that sharing your thoughts with the other mom. Might be I'm not a perfect mom, might be I'm not
Everyone
giving
is
the
perfect,
100%.
guys. We are perfect.
Agreed. But okay, if only a single thing also through this entire video, if anyone learns, yes, I'm grateful for that. Yes, the change
You
came
know,
because
at
of me
some
or because
point,
of you.
because I went through, because I had a little depression after my birth.
Yeah.
You know, at some point, one video or like anything, it will connect to you. You know.
Exactly, I agree.
So in this
completely.
video, I'm sure, like, from pregnancy to their like school
School.
kid, that age kid, every mom will relate somehow, some point. So they will realize, yes, like, you know, we are doing right, and
Yes.
because every mom will go through whatever you are going now.
Yes, yes.
So just accept it. Happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
That's it.
So
Yes.
happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much.
Take
Bye bye.
care.